The preceding program was a paid presentation of The Key of David, brought to you by the Philadelphia Church of God.
Ang Season 2 ng Phenomenal Reality Game Show. Last 3 weekends na.
Ang goal natin is champion.
Get ready, runners.
Sama-sama tayong tatakbo hanggang finish line. Running Man Philippines.
I start with this one very important question. Sino ka nang dahil sa iyong ina? Isang tanong na magbubukas ng iba't ibang kwento. Heartfelt revelations. Plain truths. Priceless life lessons. My mother, my story. Dito po sa GMA.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.